We are going to look at probability and odds. All right, remember the odds here is not we don't really mean odd numbers. Okay, there sometimes if you have been listening to sports, for instance, you might be hearing comparing team A to team B, the odds against this team, the odds against this team. Okay, the odds of success to failure and the odds of failure to success. All right, odds and probability are related, they can be compared. All right, then so let's get started. By now we have explained the meaning of probability. Probability is required outcome over possible outcome. Required outcome is also referred to as success. What you want to achieve is the success, then over possible outcome. All right, then odds in other hand is favorable over unfavorable, or we can simply say success over failure. All right, that is good. Then let us look at this example. Let's assume a basket, for instance, contains 3 red balls, 2 blue balls, and 1 green ball. Then the probability of picking red, because since we have 3 red balls, the probability is going to be 3, that is success, over total. Altogether we have 6 balls, right? 6 balls, and that's going to be 1:2, 1/2. That is the probability. Then odds, in another hand, the odds of picking red. Okay, that is success. How many red do we have? We have 3 reds. The odds of picking red, since we have 3 red, is going to be 3, that is success, over failure. Then we have 3 reds. Then out of 3, then we still have 3 remaining. Okay, that is failure. That is what we are able to achieve and what we are not able to achieve. So which is 3? The odd of picking red is 3/3, which is also known as 1:1. Okay, that is success to failure. You can see the difference between odds and probability. Then let us go ahead and then what is the probability of picking blue balls? The probability, since we have 2 blue balls, is going to be 2 out of total, which is 6. Okay, and that is still 1, 2 here, 2 into 1, and 2 cancel 6, 3. All right, then the odds of picking blue balls, since we have 2 blue balls, the odd is success, which is 2, over failure or unfavorable. Then out of 2, that means what we are able to achieve is 2, and what we are not able to achieve is 4. Okay, that is 2/4, and that is 1:2. That is the odds of picking a blue ball. All right, then let us look at this spinner over here. Spinner. All right, let us look at this spinner. Then the probability of spinning 1 is 1, because we have just 1, is 1/4. Okay, then the probability of spinning 2, spinning 3, spinning 4, they are all 1/4. All right, then what is the odd of spinning, let's say 3? The odd of spinning 3 is 1, that is success over failure, because we have that of 1 of 3 is just 1. All right, even the probability the odds of spinning 2 is still 1 out of 3. That is success over failure, or favorable over unfavorable. Okay. Remember, odds is like ratio of success to failure. Then odd against the reverse will be the case. So if the odds here is 1:3, which is success to failure, then odd against would be what? 3/1. Okay, if the odds of spinning let's say 1, if the odd of spinning 1 is 1/3, then the odd against will be the reciprocal of 1/3, and that is 3/1. All right, if the probability of an event is known, which is success or failure, let's say the probability of passing a certain exam is let's say 7/10. If the probability of passing your exam is 7/10, then remember, probability is success over total, or required over total over possible outcome. Then if the probability is 7/10, let's say the probability of passing or whatever, then the odds in favor, we can get odd from this probability. Okay, odds. Then out of 7, that is, we have success, which is 7, over failure. This is the odds in favor. Okay, the odds in favor will be 7/3. Then odds against will be 3/7. Odds against will be what? 3/7. So this is how to interpret odds. Okay, if the probability of an event is 2/5, for instance, then what are the odds? The odds should be what? Probability of winning, probability that it might rain, what probability that there will be there will be hold up traffic on the road is 2/5. Okay, whatever probability. Then let's say the probability of winning, if the probability of winning is 2/5, then the odds would be 2 over, that is success over failure, odds in favor. Okay, then this is odds in favor. Then odds against, since the probability of winning is 2/5, then the odds in favor will be 2/3. Okay, then odds against, then the odds against will be the reciprocal, that is 3/2. Okay, this is how we compare probability and odds. All right, odds in favor, odds against. I hope this is clear.